हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज हम सीखेंगे 2D शेप्स नेम। 2D शेप्स 2 डायमेंशनल वाले शेप्स को कहते हैं। आज हम लोग कुछ नया सीखेंगे। वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखिएगा। लर्न विथ DurgaZone। सबसे पहला शेप है सर्कल। This is a circle. This is a round shaped figure that has no corners or no edge. That is called circle. Semicircle. This is a semicircle. A semicircle is a one-dimensional locus of points that forms half of a circle. Oval. This is an oval. This is a rounded form that seems structured and elongated, just like egg shape. Square. This is a square. This is a regular quadrilateral which has all the 4 sides of equal length and all 4 angles are also equal. Parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is defined as a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a closed flat shape having 4 sides and each angle equal to 90 degrees. The opposite side of the rectangle are equal and parallel. Triangle. This is a triangle. This is a closed 2-dimensional shape with 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. A triangle is also a polygon. Rhombus. This is a rhombus. This is a quadrilateral whose 4 sides all have the same length. Another name is quadrilateral equilateral. Diamond. This is a diamond. This is a 2-dimensional flat quadrilateral with 4 closed straight sides. This is also called rhombus, but rhombus is not called diamond. Star. This is a star. This shape is a non-convex polygon that looks similar to a star. Crescent. This is a crescent. This is a thin curved shape that's thicker in the middle and taper to thin, pointed at each end, like the little silver of the moon you might notice in the sky. Heart. This is a heart shape. This is a shape used to express the idea of the heart and love in a metaphorical sense. Straight line. This is a straight line. This is a line that connects 2 points in a plane and extended to infinite in both directions. It is considered one-dimensional. Parallel line. This is a parallel lines. Parallel lines as 2 lines in the same plane that are at equal distance from each other and never meet. They can be both horizontal and vertical. Pentagon. This is a pentagon. This is a polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles. Hexagon. This is a hexagon. Hexagon is a closed two-dimensional polygon with 6 sides and 6 angles. Heptagon. This is a heptagon. Heptagon is a flat shape with 7 straight sides and 7 angles. Octagon. This is an octagon. An octagon is a polygon that has 8 sides and 8 angles. Nonagon. This is a nonagon. Nonagon is a polygon that has 9 sides, 9 interior angles and 9 exterior angles. Decagon. This is a decagon. A decagon is a 10 sides polygon with 10 vertices and 10 angles. Hendecagon. This is a hendecagon. Hendecagon a plane figure with 11 straight sides and 11 angles. Dodecagon. This is a dodecagon. This is a 2D dimensional shape. A dodecagon is a closed figure that has 12 sides and 12 angles. Plus. This is a plus. This is also called add या two numbers addition symbol. Minus. This is a minus. This is a mathematical symbol and also called subtraction. Multiplication. This is a symbol of multiplication. Division. This is a division. This is a mathematical symbols. This is divided two numbers. Arrow. This is a arrow. This is denoted by the direction. वीडियो पूरा देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for watching. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe the channel and like, share and comment.